Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I Umar Khalid with today's topic, the Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert. The Great Indian Desert is located in the northwest side of our country. Desert is the ecosystem where there is very low rainfall, below 25 centimeters per annum. It is the 18th largest desert in the world. There is arid climate. Why these deserts are there? Let me tell you the reason. And why there is very low rainfall? Let me tell you the reason. The westerlies, which comes from the western side, they bring some moisture with them. When they reach western side of continent, they lost their moisture content. So it's the reason of low rainfall. And the second is the largest river which flows in this region is Luni River. This place is not sufficient for vegetation because of low rainfall, and it is covered with sand dunes called barchans. It is all about deserts. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Bilal Shabisha. I am the student of class 9A. Today I have prepared a topic, the islands. As we all know, our country has two groups, Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Lakshadweep Island lying close to the Malabar coast. जो लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड है ये मालाबार कोस्ट के साउथ ईस्ट में आता है. It is composed of small coral islands. जो लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड है इसको हम कोरल आइलैंड्स भी कहते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोरल्स होते हैं. कोरल का माने होता है वो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो लिव करते हैं कॉलोनीज. Earlier they were known as Lakadiu, Nicobar and Amandiu, renamed in 1970. पहले लक्षद्वीप का नाम था लकादिउ, निकोबार एंड अमेंडिउ. फिर उसका नाम चेंज किया 1973 में, रखा गया लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड्स. It covers small area of 32 square kilometer. जो लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड है ये छोटा सा एरिया कवर करता है 32 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर.